For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Universal 1314, Gracie's 1 and 2, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. All of these instruments consist of a handle, terminal shank, and working end. The Gracies are area specific. We have the 1 and 2 that's used for the anteriors, the 11 and 12 it's used to go mesially, and the 13 and 14 that is used to go distally. The Gracies have face of the blade of 70 degrees to the terminal shank. They each have one cutting edge on each end of the instrument and a rounded toe on each end of the instrument as well. So for the working angle, you want to close, insert, and open parallel to the long axis of the tooth. And you want to go subgingival, and you only stroke in areas where there's calc. A contraindication would be never to use on green deposits. Here we have the Universal 1314 and the Barnhart 5 and 6. They're both the same instrument. The only difference is that the Barnhart has a longer ladder, which benefits you when you're working on the posterior teeth. The face of the blade of the Universal Curette is 90 degrees to the terminal shank. They each have two cutting edges on each end, so that's a total of 4, and they consist of a rounded toe. For the Universals, it's the same thing as the Gracies. You want to close, insert apically into the sulcus, and you're going to open 60 to 80 degrees. When you're working with the Universal Curettes, you're going to work at 60 to 70 degrees for cementum and 70 to 80 degrees for enamel. For the Universal, you can go subgingival, and you're going to go using short overlapping strokes, and the same contraindications apply, and you never want to use this instrument on green deposits. I would also like to add that for the Universal Curettes, you are able to use them on anterior teeth, unlike the Gracies where they have one specifically for anteriors.